What?
Almost did a taco.
Mm-hmm. Careful, don't touch the mirrors. Good job. Can you whistle? Good job.
Are you taking a video? Oh. So, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just taking a video of a beautiful little girl.
But I want to see it.
See what?
See the video.
You can see it in a little bit.
Okay. After you take the picture, I'm going to see it.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What
Just pulling the pole.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to pick something.
Be careful.
What do you work for? What do you work for?
Like, what do I do?
Yeah.
What do you think I do?
I don't know what you do.
You don't? What do you do?
I do yoga.
Oh, yeah. Where do you do that?
At the complex place.
Mm.
And see adults. It's the one with the little circle on it. Do you know that place is?
Mm-mm.
My yoga place.
Your yoga place?
Yeah, I do. I'm jumping around. What do you do?
Why don't you show me some yoga? Interesting.
That's my yoga.
Very cool.
What's yours?
That's a lot of work, huh?
What's your word?
Why don't you show me some Pilates?
I don't know what Pilates is.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Mm.
So what is Pilates?
Roll-ups.
What?
Roll-ups.
Okay, I can do roll-ups.
Let's see.
Okay.
Whoa, you got it, Elsie.
So what's your name?
Sarah.
My name is Kara.
Oh.
And I'm a special girl.
Mm-hmm.
Because my friends think I'm Sarah, but I'm not. I'm Kara.
Got it.
And I can jump really far. See?
Whoa, you can.
I can jump